Shh! Trying to figure out what this noise is.
I think it's a bird.
It sounds like there's multiple of whatever this sound is, though. What in the world? This is like the first time I have like ever heard that noise. Like, what the heck? I'm so confused. What